Has anyone made it on to find the CPI data in the economic projections? If you found CPI in the spreadsheet, you'll see the top one is the all urban consumers. The second one is excluding food and energy. So you'll often hear that reported as core CPI. And the reason that they often report CPI excluding food and energy is that gas prices, energy prices, food prices, they're all very volatile. So a change in those prices, like you may see an increase in the price of natural gas because of heating costs going up in January. Does that mean that there's an outbreak in inflation? Not necessarily. So often the people will pay attention to core CPI as a way to capture the underlying trend in inflation. It's possible to get into lots of different fine details about how to measure price changes, which ones are relevant, what each one is telling you. But focusing for now on the headline and the change is good. You should have within your own spreadsheet a place you go to the CBO spreadsheets, you copy the series that you need, and you paste it within your own spreadsheet. So you're creating your own small table. So you have CPI, you have change CPI. Did you copy the growth rates from CBO, or did you calculate them yourself?
We calculated.
Okay, that's good. So then if you have the two rows that are together, you can take one and subtract the other. If you want to take input into a cell, a formula, you start by typing equals, and then you can click on the cell, or you could type in, you can find out the letter of the row, the letter of the column and the number of the row. So you should get something that is like a CPI has a 2.2% growth rate, and change CPI has a 2.0% growth rate. So if you subtract the two, you should get that the change CPI grows by negative 0.02% more, i.e. 2% less, 0.2%. So as you calculate how changing the price index that you use to measure inflation would affect the total expenditure on Social Security, you can use this equation here to realize that the nominal growth in total Social Security spending is the real increase in the purchasing power of Social Security spending plus enough to calculate to keep up with inflation.